Think you know your salad dressings? The classic Italian bottle on your counter is actually just a homemade vinaigrette. Let's break down the science behind that sweet, thick emulsion. First, let's clarify the basics. Italian dressing is fundamentally a vinaigrette, meaning it relies on an oil and acid base, typically olive oil combined with vinaigrette or lemon juice. While store-bought versions vary, authentic recipes use sharp ingredients like white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, or fresh lemon juice to create that zippy, garlicky punch you love. The real secret lies in the herbs and aromatics. We are talking about a specific blend of oregano, basil, rosemary, plus extra garlic to mimic those classic Italian flavors. Here is the crucial distinction. While it shares similarities with other dressings, Italian dressing has a sweeter, more complex flavor profile and a thicker consistency than standard vinaigrettes. This unique texture makes it incredibly versatile. You can use it not just as a salad topper, but also as a light marinade or a finishing sauce for various recipes. And the best part? You can make it from scratch in just 3 minutes using simple ingredients like Dijon mustard and Parmesan cheese for that sharp, savory balance. Now you know the secret to making a superior Italian vinaigrette at home. What is your favorite salad topping? Let me know in the comments below.